Child abuse can be divided into many parts. For example, sexual child abuse, physical child abuse, and normal child abuse. But if we talk about the sexual child abuse, when the any inherited or you can say the unavoidable activities or sexual activities happen with the child, this is called the child abuse. And the physical abuse, when the some activities which are physically hurted to the child by the one person or the group of person to the child, this is called the physical abuse.
So, talking about the mentally abuse, most of the parents, most of the teachers, most of the friends do that with a child. Like they are criticizing a child with their mind, like you cannot become, you are this kind of person, you cannot do anything, and the person is being the person is getting distracted, and the person is getting physically also mentally abused by that, and the person is getting hurted from that. That's why it's known as the mentally abuse.
Physically child abuse is example of most of the people are doing this in their soaps. They are most of the children help their parents to do their work, and also most of the time what is happening, most of the people they can steal the small children who are very small, and that's after the most of the happening with most of the people are doing this. They cut the legs of a small children and hand, after they can start begging small children, and after when these children can earn the money, after they can take the money, and after he said the children you again go and again do this kind of thing, and it that's kind also example of child abuse. Most of the people are doing this.
So, I want to talk about and take one example of physically and mentally, in which the parents started to beat you. That's known as the physical abuse, in which the parents and teachers started to beat you, and then they are also criticizing on the same time, like you have any kind of mobile phone or a PS5 or any kind of PC. So they destroyed that, even they give that you cannot use that after this thing, you will never ever get this thing, and they are beating you on the same time with the belt, with sleepers or etc. thing they are beating. So they are on the same time they are doing two things, and also there are three things also. The three abuse they are doing: physically, mentally, and verbal abuse to the child, which can harm the child and which can make a child very bad, and about the child mental health. So the child will suffer from many things in the future because of that.
And one you can say one challenge for you, that I will take the one kind of the problem and you have to suggest that what kind of the abuse is it. Okay, so what happened that if unknown person came to children and said that smoke and drugs, these kind of the things, drink the alcohol, by the pressure, by the blackmailing, so what do you think about it? Yes, and by manipulating also directly, yes, and they are washing your brain, so what kind of child abuse it will become?
So thank you for listening. This side your all friend. Like, share, subscribe, send this to everyone, and comment down.